So last night after a yoga class, I had a student come up to me and ask me to help him get into child's pose better because he said that it hurt when he kind of like came back onto his hips, or that his hips just wouldn't come down to his heels. And I was explaining to him how to use props to do it, and he was like, yeah, but it feels okay using the props, but that keeps me from doing the pose. And my mind was just like blown because this has to be how a lot of people think about props. And so I went on to explain that props are an assist for us, and they allow you to be able to hold a pose to the best of your body's ability today, and then build up the strength in your muscles and joints so that over time you can adjust the prop in ways that slowly phase it out so that you can eventually do the pose. Our bodies are amazing and adaptable this way. We do a lot of things similar with food as well, or you can. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a couple of ways that you can use props to help get more comfortable in child's pose, just in case that is not comfortable for you. So if you have a blanket, honestly, you guys, I didn't think about how I was folding my blanket at all, but it just started in a small rectangle, and then I'm doing it lengthwise, about 3 little rolls here. I'll come back again. Whoop. You don't want it too thick. And this is just so that you can stick it. You can stick it on your ankles, you can stick it on your calves, you can come more forward and have it on your knees. Sitting back just like this, coming into a child's pose. You can also use blocks. So you can do like a medium height or a tall height. The smallest height is probably not going to be very supportive, but different bodies. Everybody's got a different body. So maybe that block comes up to the highest point, so I'm basically just sitting on it with my sit bones. I can come out here. Now I'm supporting my elbows, my shoulders with my elbows, and I have I have an option for a block here. So those are just a couple of very simple and quick ways to ease into child's pose, and I hope that maybe your mind was blown just as much with hearing about how to use props properly, because it's just such a beautiful little relationship you can have with these props. They're just meant to help you be able to work with your body and ease into these advancements as you move through your yoga journey.